So we're gonna do another exercise where we're combining finger picking and strumming, and we're going back and forth so that eventually the transition becomes very fluid and something that we do automatically without thinking about it. So in 4/4 time, I'm just going to use a C chord for right now. Let's just finger pick on the beat, going from our nose to the floor. So it will sound and look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's alternate between this finger picking and strumming. So it'll look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's make the finger picking just a little more complex. Instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, which means we'll go from our nose to the floor twice in a measure. It will look like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we'll do our strum in tandem with that. So let's try it: 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. You might need to do it slower, slow down if you need to do this. Let's go through the 1, 4, 5 in the key of C. So it's C, and then an F chord, and then a G7 chord, and a C chord. Why don't we do 2 measures of each? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Now an F chord. G7, and C. Now the easier version of the finger pick would be this: 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. Start there. G7, and C.